Hey folks, pretty quick transition from summer to winter with temperatures near 90 on Saturday, into the 80s yesterday, and today, well, these numbers: 41 in McAllen, 37 in Harlingen, 38 Port Isabel, Brownsville's 39 at this hour. It's cold out there. You add the wind in, it feels even colder than it is. That's the effect of the wind pulling the moisture away from your body, making you feel colder, pulling the heat away from your body, making you feel colder. So it feels like it's in the upper 20s in the east and 30s in the west. If you look at our forecast lows tonight, readings don't change a lot. We go down a little bit, but not very much, staying at about 41 on the island. Everybody else should bottom out in the 30s across the region. If the clouds thin, it could get a degree or two cooler than that, but right now the clouds are pretty thick across the area. Tomorrow's high is back close to 50, 49 here in Weslaco, 50 at Harlingen, 55 at the beach. North winds continue as the high pressure continues to push into South Texas, so that keeps it chilly all day tomorrow. But by Wednesday, the winds do start to shift, and when the winds shift, then we see temperatures warming back up. Yesterday, 5 o'clock yesterday, this is McAllen, 63 degrees. It just kept, after being in the mid-80s earlier than that, just kept going down, 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 down. Finally bottoming out at 39 at about 10 o'clock this morning, staying there for about 3 hours and then going back to 40. But that's the chart over the last 24 hours, and it's been downhill all the way. The chart for the next 3 days, it goes back uphill a little bit. Normal high is 78. We're going to be almost 30 degrees colder than that tomorrow, a little bit warmer on Wednesday, and then by Thursday should be back closer to the seasonal norm. Of course, the record highs won't be threatened. Let's watch Future Track. It suggests that the clouds try to thin out a little bit late tonight and early tomorrow. I think, dew points are in the mid-30s right now, probably not going to go down a whole lot more, so we should be able to stay probably well above the freezing mark, but the clouds are going to stick around for the most part. Again, this model indicating there's some breaks late tonight and tomorrow. I think clouds are still dominating, and if we do get some breaks, clouds are coming right back in on Wednesday, and they're going to thicken up, and there could even be a brief passing shower on Wednesday. There you see it even into Thursday morning as temperatures warm back up, courtesy of the southeast flow kicking back in again. Rain chances tomorrow, about a 40% probability, some leftover stuff on Wednesday, and then I think Thursday, mainly dry across the region. Look at the rest of South Texas. It's not a whole lot colder like in San Antonio. It's the same as it is in Brownsville. Del Rio is actually warmer, so that tells you the real push of cold air is slowing down even with that north wind. Temperature's not a whole lot colder to the north of us. Now you go a little wider, it's a little colder when you get to Dallas, 32, Lubbock 28, San Angelo 31. So there's cold air on the map, but the coldest push of air is here as we speak. There are the clouds. You look for some breaks. You see a little thin break up there around Del Rio this afternoon, but filling right back in as quickly as it breaks. Cold air is built in courtesy of high pressure that still settles into Texas tomorrow. Still mostly cloudy across the area tomorrow. The high by Wednesday begins to move away. When that happens, the wind turns out of the east, and by Thursday, it's back out of the southeast. That warms it up. That brings moisture back in, so we start to see temperatures climbing back up. Another front on the map will be near on Saturday, but Saturday may be a very warm day across the region once again. Traveling tomorrow, well, it starts at 30 in San Antonio at 8 in the morning, 26 in Dallas, 33 in Houston. By afternoon, it doesn't warm up much. Most of the state in the 40s. Brownsville hits 52. That'll be one of the warmer readings across the state, with the exception of El Paso. So your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight: windy, drizzle, cold with a wind chill advisory in effect until 9 a.m. And again, just misty drizzle, not a lot. And then spotty stuff early, maybe some breaks late in the day, up to 49 degrees with northerly winds continuing. I think we're still cloudy on Wednesday, a little warmer, 56, and warmer yet on Thursday. Then look at Friday and Saturday, 84, 89. And then finally, partly cloudy, 81 on Sunday, and this is the weekend. You spring forward an hour. Spotty shower left over on Monday. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.